Samsung is preparing a new software update for its Galaxy smartphones and tablets, One UI 8.5, and it comes with some exciting improvements for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, especially for video recording. Currently, the Galaxy S25 Ultra supports up to 20x zoom when recording videos on the latest stable version, One UI 8.0. While this is already impressive, a recent leak suggests that One UI 8.5 will push this even further. Tipster Ice Universe shared details on X, claiming that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will support 20x zoom for video with One UI 8.5. They even posted a screenshot showing the new zoom levels. The updated interface shows 5 standard focal length option 0, 5x 1x T3x fx and a new 25x setting. This means users can now record videos at a much higher zoom level than before, allowing for closer shots without physically moving closer to the subject. This higher zoom level could be a game changer for creators who use their Galaxy S25 Ultra for video. Whether it's capturing wildlife, distant landscapes, or events from far away, the extra zoom provides more flexibility and creative options. While optical zoom still maintains the best quality, the increased digital zoom will be useful for situations where getting physically close isn't possible. One UI 8.5 also brings a refreshed interface. According to the leaks, the new design looks cleaner and more modern. Samsung has reportedly focused on making the software easier to navigate and more customizable, giving users more control over their device's look and feel. This includes options to tweak layouts, icons, and even some camera controls to suit individual preferences. In addition to higher video zoom and a cleaner UI, One UI 8.5 will include a host of new features. While Samsung hasn't confirmed all of them yet, we can expect improvements in system-wide animations, battery optimization, multitasking tools, and camera enhancements. These updates aim to make the overall experience smoother and more enjoyable, keeping Samsung devices competitive in the flagship smartphone market. The Galaxy S25 Ultra already sets a high bar for mobile photography and video, but One UI 8.5 seems to strengthen that further. Users who frequently record videos will likely notice the difference in quality and versatility, especially with the new 25x zoom. Combined with the large, high-resolution display and powerful processor, the S25 Ultra becomes even more capable for content creation on the go. Overall, One UI 8.5 appears to focus on both aesthetics and functionality. The higher zoom for video recording addresses a specific user need, while the cleaner interface and customization options improve everyday usability. Samsung is showing that it is listening to user feedback and continuously refining the Galaxy experience. For anyone with a Galaxy S25 Ultra, this update could make a noticeable difference in how videos are captured and edited on the device. It's also a reminder of how software updates can extend the capabilities of existing hardware, giving users new tools without needing to upgrade their phones. With the new 25x video zoom and a refreshed, more user-friendly interface, One UI 8.5 promises to make the Galaxy S25 Ultra an even more powerful tool for mobile video creators. Samsung's commitment to improving both performance and usability with each update continues to set the Galaxy series apart in the smartphone market.